Hello, everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Great Compromise by me, myself, and I. So, the Great Compromise is also known as the Connecticut Compromise, which was one of the most important decisions made at the Constitutional Convention of 1787. It helped resolve a major disagreement that almost tore the convention apart. And it's the reason why our Congress works the way it does today. The problem: conflict over representation. Back in 1787, the founding fathers were trying to fix the Articles of Confederation and create a new constitution, as there were quite some issues with the original one. But one huge debate stopped them. How should states be represented in Congress? Big states like Virginia wanted more say because they had bigger populations. Smaller states like New Jersey wanted equal power so they wouldn't be ignored or feel less than. This disagreement led to two different plans. Firstly, the Virginia Plan, or the Large State Plan. The Virginia Plan, written by James Madison, proposed a bicameral legislature, meaning two houses of Congress, and both would have representation based on population. This means that large states would get more votes and power, so obviously that they favor this plan. But smaller states feared that they'd lose all influence, hence the New Jersey Plan, or the Small State Plan. In response, William Paterson of New Jersey presented the New Jersey Plan, which suggested a unicameral legislature, one house, and equal representation for every state, no matter the size. This plan protected small states, but big states weren't happy. The debate got so heated that some delegates even threatened to walk out. Hence, the Great Compromise. Thankfully, Roger Sherman from Connecticut stepped in with the solution: the Great Compromise. It combined the two plans. Congress would have two houses. First, the House of Representatives, which would be based on population. Second, the Senate. The Senate would have two senators per state, giving everyone equal power. This satisfied both large and small states and allowed the convention to move forward. Now, let's talk about the effects of the compromise. The Great Compromise didn't just solve a problem, it created the structure of Congress that we still use till this very day. It also proved that compromise is essential in government. Without it, we might not even have a constitution. As you can see in this Venn diagram, the Virginia Plan focused on population and favored large states, while the New Jersey Plan focused on equality, and the Great Compromise brought them both together, balancing the power between the people and the states. Now, why does this matter today? This matters because it shaped how we're governed. The Senate makes sure that all states have an equal voice, and the House makes sure representation reflects population. It's one of the first examples of finding middle ground in American democracy, and we still see that need for compromise in politics today. Now, to review, the Great Compromise solved the debate over representation. It created our two house Congress, and it helped unify the states under the new Constitution. Thank you for listening.